Acetasol HC Solution is a topical medication used for the treatment of certain ear conditions. It combines acetic acid, which provides antimicrobial properties, with hydrocortisone, a corticosteroid that reduces inflammation and itching. Active substances: acetic acid and hydrocortisone. Indications: Acetasol HC Solution is indicated for the treatment of otitis externa, commonly known as swimmer's ear. It helps alleviate symptoms such as ear pain, inflammation, and itching. How to use: the dosage of Acetasol HC Solution may vary depending on the severity of the condition and the healthcare provider's recommendation. However, a common dosage regimen for adults and children typically involves instilling a few drops into the affected ear canal several times daily, as directed by a healthcare provider. Specifically, for adults and children, instill 3 to 5 drops into the affected ear canal 2 to 3 times daily, or as directed by a healthcare provider. The solution should be used for a limited duration as directed. Prolonged use should be avoided unless specifically instructed by the healthcare provider. It's essential to follow the dosage instructions provided by the healthcare provider or as indicated on the medication label. Don't exceed the recommended dosage without consulting a healthcare professional. If there are any questions or concerns regarding the dosage, it's crucial to discuss them with a qualified healthcare provider. Contraindications: Acetasol HC Solution is contraindicated in individuals with hypersensitivity or allergy to any of the components of the solution: perforated tympanic membrane, eardrum. Special instructions: care should be taken to avoid getting the solution into the eyes. If accidental contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water. Acetasol HC Solution is typically used for a limited duration as directed by the healthcare provider. Prolonged use should be avoided unless specifically instructed. Prior to administration, healthcare providers should perform a thorough examination of the tympanic membrane eardrum to rule out perforation or other contraindications. Side effects: common side effects of Acetasol HC Solution may include temporary stinging or burning sensation in the ear, local irritation or redness, allergic reactions rare.